On May 17th, two of Uncle Sam's F-18 Super Hornets, or rather, E-18G Growler electronic warfare jets sporting a hefty $67 million price tag apiece, completely botched their routine at the Gunsmoke Aviation Airshow. These two multi-ton war machines decided to pull an illegal lane change mid-air, causing a literal fender bender that got them tangled up and sent them both crashing down. But talk about having some serious plot armor. All four pilots managed to eject successfully. This is a classic demonstration of why the ejection angle is a matter of life and death. For a textbook example, look no further than the 2002 Sknyliv Airshow disaster in Lviv, Ukraine, involving a Su-27 fighter jet. During a low-altitude stunt, the jet failed to pull up, and by the time the pilots hit the panic button, the aircraft was practically scraping the tarmac, a literal 0-0 ejection. If the angle had been slightly skewed, they would have been shot straight into the trees. Those two pilots survived, but the crowd paid the ultimate price. The crash killed 77 people and injured 543 others, making it the darkest and bloodiest day in airshow history. Another sketchy low-altitude mishap happened last year involving India's LCA Tejas Mark I at the Dubai Airshow. The post-crash investigation showed that the ejection seat's telemetry recorded an activation sequence, meaning the pilot did pull the panic handle. However, the Martin-Baker MK16A ejection seat detected that the aircraft was at an extreme bank angle. To prevent the pilot from being shot sideways into the ground, the roll gyros locked the seat, and the mechanism never triggered. The jet crashed, and the pilot tragically lost his life. Low-altitude lateral ejections are a nightmare, especially when the bank angle is too sharp. In those split seconds, survival depends on the hardware's safety logic, but a massive chunk of it is just pure luck. Now, a lot of people are asking, how on earth did two massive, multi-ton war machines manage to slam into each other in an open sky? Simple, they broke the rules. There's no other explanation. After losing visual contact with each other, they failed to break formation according to standard operating procedures. When two jets get that close at high speed, the compressed airflow in the boundary layer creates a Venturi effect, literally sucking them into each other for an involuntary mid-air hug. A spectacular double crash, $130 million burning hole in the taxpayer's pocket.